Hey everybody, welcome back to the Drifter Journey channel. Greg and Jess, Lupe. We are down here in Baja. We are about to go on a little adventure in our new Further Customs Laguna 330 Inflatable Catamaran with the 15-horse Suzuki outboard. Yeah, so we are going to take it out into the open sea and go try and find some cave paintings and maybe do some spearfish scouting / spearfishing if it's good. So it's like, what, 7 a.m. now, probably. Getting out there before it gets choppy. We are new to boating, so we are trying to keep it when it's glassy. But yeah, let's see what we can find. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Purchase anything through the links below. And if you want a discount on these boats, we got that in the description. Let's do it.
Safety first for the puppy.
You ready? You ready? Yes. Come on, girl. Let's load up.
Get in the boat.
Come on. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah, straight out as far that way as you can go.
This video is brought to you by Further Customs. Our inflatable catamaran has opened up a whole new world of adventure and exploration for us. Check out our boat playlist for more videos about it, and look in the description of this video for a link to shop and an exclusive discount code. We just pulled up to the beach. Well, almost to the beach.
Pulling up to the beach, but there's a naturalist and their 2 dogs, so we're not sure if we should cruise up or not.
So we're trying to see if we can even see these cave paintings from the water. If it's even worth pulling up on the beach. You want to try again tomorrow?
I mean, I don't want to have a dog interaction.
Yeah. Yeah, we can just cruise around, look at some other spearfishing spots, and come back.
Yeah.
Looks like a nice beach, though.
Yeah.
We can wander around. Next time it's not occupied. This is what we do when we look for fish. We just drive around and look in the water and see if we see anything. So that was a triggerfish.
Big one?
I'd say medium to small. Ooh. Ooh, there's another one. Another trigger, medium size.
So, I wonder if should beach up here real quick and
sure, if there's a clear path.
yeah, I'm hoping the middle is sandy.
Yeah, we'll just have to scope out the rock situation when we get close.
Let's go over center here. Yeah.
We're on the beach. I didn't film the beaching because it's kind of a two-man job sometimes. So Greg's gonna get suited up,
Yeah,
and
we're gonna try and shoot a couple triggerfish.
swim over to that little rock outcropping there and try to shoot some fish. right, well, you want to tell the people what happened?
I blew it there. Just trying to pick out the bigger triggers out of the group, and I missed them. So we're gonna move on because they swam away. I don't think they're over there anymore.
New spot. Let's load up. Come on.
Good girl. Get in.
Girl.
Good girl.
Okay, it looks like the naturalist has left Cave Painting Beach, so we're gonna check it out. We're gonna pull up on shore and see if we can find them.
So for us non-boaters that don't know what we're doing, we went ahead and pulled an anchor line up into the sand, stomped it in, just in case while we were away, this tide decides to try to take it. It'll probably hold it.
Careful.
I got a feeling it's not over there.
Yeah, I know. I feel like it's up somewhere, but I don't know how much walking we want to do.
That's what I'm saying.
You're not wearing shoes.
You gotta make it snappy.
You see anything?
Not yet. Uh-oh, boat's moving. Luckily I put that anchor in. Definitely in the water though. Key learning. Anchor kind of worked, but it dragged like 10 feet.
I guess that's why you normally see
We've been screwed without it.
big rocks on the beach and stuff. I think it might be that one.
Oh, damn.
Up there. That's like an actual cave. We're at the end of the beach where the rocks kind of get carved out by storm surges. Thought this would be the easiest access to see if there's anything here.
Nope. I figured maybe somebody just did it recently here out of fun. So it doesn't seem that these cave paintings are going to be lupe friendly, and I'm not going to hike around in a wetsuit. So we need to get back in the boat and go look for more fish, I guess.
Yeah.
Come on, girl.
Nicely done. All right, where do you want to scope out next?
Go back around the corner.
Yeah.
Work our way back.
Okay. We just circled this, we call it bird shit rock from camp. You can see it. There's some good potential, so we're gonna try to anchor the boat in some of the reefy stuff on the blocked side so that it's not as bouncy for Lupe and I.
But not in the reef, in the rocks.
Well, yeah. And then Greg's gonna jump in and swim a lap or two. See if we can get something here.
Goggles?
Mm-hmm.
Gloves. Snorkel.
You gonna clean the screen, your lenses again?
Yeah, I'll do it real quick.
Okay. Here you go.
Yeah, whatever swam by though it might have been a big grouper. It was,
Oh, really?
Yeah, it was dark and big. Yeah.
Was it going
It
fast?
was going fast.
Mm.
Like it didn't leave. It jolted out of a hole.
Yeah.
And went somewhere else to some other hole.
Jerk.
We spooked it.
Don't they know they're supposed to
Just
come
sit
out
there.
and offer themselves to us?
Just sit there and act like I can't see you. I promise. Dude.
I don't know why the fish don't just cooperate.
What's that?
I said I don't know why the fish don't just cooperate.
I know. Should be easier, right?
For anyone that thinks spearing fish is like inhumane or unfair, try it. It's pretty difficult, actually. How'd you do? Thumbs up. You done in this spot, or are you gonna do another lap?
I feel like the wind's picking up.
Yeah, it is, but I don't think it's gonna be an issue for us to get out.
You want me to take one more lap?
If you want.
I mean, there's a chance I could do one more lap and get something.
Yeah.
but I could also stop too. I got one big trigger.
Okay, nice. Well, it's 10:30, so
Okay.
I don't know. I think you got time. I'm not too worried about it.
Run over there one more time and back. It
Okay.
looks pretty clear across though.
To the camp?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Definitely picking up over there.
Yeah, I mean, it's getting breezy. How'd it go?
Yeah. I handed it.
Yeah. All right, you got some fish. It's still glassy out. The wind shifted, so I think we're gonna have a nice smooth ride back.
That's far enough, right?
Yeah, I think that looks pretty good.
Take that, please. Mm-hmm. I'm gonna jump up.
Okay.
Hang on.
Come on through.
Hey. Shallow quick, huh?
Yeah. I think we're about there.
Alright, so we are back at camp. We didn't film shooting any, but we got a couple. And that got all tangled up, so one of them might have been swimming around with it.
Yeah, that is tangled up.
There we go. Okay, so we have 2 triggerfish. These guys make really good ceviche or fish tacos. And a cabrilla, which is a decent sized one.
Yeah.
Which also makes
Great.
good ceviche or fish tacos. So we're gonna process them up and we're gonna have ceviche today.
So that wraps up this video, right?
So I think that's a wrap on this video. If you want a video about how we make our ceviche, leave it in the comments and we'll do it in the fall because we won't get the comments till later. Thanks for watching.